Golf is a game of precision. Every shot counts. And at the heart of every shot, the golf ball. This small, dimpled sphere is the centerpiece of the game. The journey from raw materials to the final product is a blend of cutting-edge technology and meticulous craftsmanship. Each golf ball is engineered to perfection. Each time it takes flight, it carries the dreams and aspirations of the player. The anticipation as it soars, the hope as it approaches the green, and the satisfaction when it finds the hole. Before a golf ball is even made, it starts as an idea. Designers use computers to create blueprints. These blueprints are like recipes. They tell the factory what materials to use and how to put them together. Different golf balls are designed for different players. Some balls are made for distance. Others are made for control. The designers think about all of this when creating a new ball. The journey begins with the core. This is the heart of the golf ball. It's usually made of rubber, but not just any rubber. This is special, high-performance rubber. The rubber is mixed into a liquid form. Then it's poured into molds. These molds shape the rubber into perfectly round cores. Once cooled, the cores are ready for the next stage. Layering up for launch. Now it's time to build the layers around the core. These layers can be made of different materials. Some are made of a material called ionomer. It's a type of plastic that's very tough. Other layers might be made of something called surlyn. This material is known for its softness and feel. Each layer is carefully wrapped around the core, one by one. Putting it all together. This is where all the intricate details and hard work come together to create the perfect golf ball. With all the layers in place, the golf ball needs its signature dimples. These dimples are not just a design choice, they are crucial for the ball's performance. These aren't just for looks. The dimples play a significant role in how the ball behaves in the air. From factory floor to fairway. Have you ever wondered about the journey of a golf ball? It starts in a bustling factory where precision and technology come together to create the perfect sphere. Before a golf ball can leave the factory, it has to pass a series of rigorous tests. These tests are designed to ensure that each ball meets the highest standards of quality and performance. Technicians meticulously inspect each ball, looking for any imperfections. They use advanced machinery to measure the ball's weight, size, and balance. This ensures that every ball is perfectly round and will perform consistently on the course. The balls are then subjected to a series of performance tests. Machines hit the balls at various speeds and angles to measure their speed, spin, and distance. This data is crucial for ensuring that the balls will perform well in real-world conditions. Only the best balls make it through this rigorous testing process. Those that don't meet the standards are discarded or sent back for further refinement. The ones that pass are sorted and prepared for packaging. And those are the balls we get to hit on the golf course. Each one has been crafted with care and precision, ensuring that it will perform at its best when you need it most. So, the next time you tee up, take a moment to appreciate the journey of your golf ball. From the factory floor to the fairway, it has undergone a remarkable transformation. It's a marvel of modern manufacturing. The process involves cutting-edge technology and skilled craftsmanship, all working together to create a product that golfers can rely on. And it all comes together to bring us the game we love. The next time you're on the course, remember the incredible journey your golf ball has taken to get there. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the pursuit of perfection. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more exciting content, updates, and new uploads from Manufactour straight to your feed.